In this tutorial, you will learn how to contribute calibration changes to projects in vCDM. To import files, it is mandatory to have an existing project and permissions thereof. This video is intended for calibration engineers. vCDM offers different ways to import calibration data. To import files, you can use vCDM Center, CANape or vCDMstudio, Inca. In this video, we show how to import calibration data via CANape and vCDMstudio. In this first part, we show how to work without local data management simply by sending modified parameter files to vCDM. You can choose from all projects that match your A2L and permissions. This feature is available in CANape and vCDMstudio. A CANape project is already opened, and some modifications have been made. Within CANape, simply use the Send To button to deliver calibration changes to vCDM projects. Enter username and password to connect to vCDM. A wizard guides you through the process. As target, select Deliver to datasets. Additionally, it is possible to deliver into a component library or a project inbox. All vCDM projects with the same software for which you have permission are listed. All parameters are listed. Select the parameters to upload. vCDM creates a file. You can see the number of included parameters and more details below. Assign your files to the datasets and define the required data quality. Click to finish. The imported file is directly visible in vCDM Center. In the second example, we use local dataset management in CANape. Start your CANape project by downloading the vCDM project to your local dataset management. This baseline of the calibration project is now available to you offline. Modify the needed parameters and just upload again to the vCDM database. This feature is available in CANape and vCDMstudio. The vCDM project is already downloaded. To download a project, use the ribbon vCDM. For this demo, we work in vCDMstudio. However, all functions are available in CANape too. Select the View Datasets. vCDMstudio shows the datasets from vCDM. Open the dataset via the context menu. Modify some parameter values and save the changes. Go back to the View Datasets. Select Upload Changes to start the wizard. The wizard, which supports the upload, is shown. It's the same wizard as in CANape. The imported file is directly visible in vCDM Center. vCDM secures data quality. All imported data are checked based on their validation framework. Via the option Required Data Quality, you can define if warnings or errors are allowed. Please refer to the tutorial video Approve and Merge.